Most people think AI engineers are just nerds who got lucky, but here's what nobody tells you. The average American retires with less than $87,000 saved. The average AI engineer clears that in 4 months. So why are so many AI engineers still living paycheck to paycheck? That's the question this entire video answers. Here's exactly what you're getting today. 1. What AI engineers actually earn at every single level. No sugarcoating. 2. Where that money goes wrong and how to stop the bleeding. 3. What the top earners do differently with their money. It's not what you think. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what to do with your AI engineering salary at every stage, and I'll show you the one thing that completely changes the whole equation. It comes up later. Don't skip it. Level 1. The Junior AI Engineer, Year 0 to 2. The Broke Genius Phase. You can graduate with an AI degree and still be financially behind a plumber. Here's the starting reality. Junior AI engineers in the US earn around $95,000 to $130,000 a year. In the UK, you're looking at £45,000 to £65,000. Sounds great, right? Hold on. You're also walking in with $150,000 to $200,000 in student debt. Imagine you take home $6,500 a month after taxes. Rent in a tech city, that's $2,200 gone immediately. Groceries, transport, subscriptions, another $800. You're left with $2,400. That feels like freedom. But most junior engineers spend it. New MacBook, upgraded apartment, weekend trips, because they finally can. If you invest just $500 of that $2,400 every month starting year 1, in 10 years, at average market returns, that's $86,000. But here's where most junior engineers mess this up. They lifestyle inflate immediately. They finally earn real money. And they spend like they earn double what they do. It's called lifestyle creep. You won't even notice it happening. We'll get to the thing that separates the $200,000 earners from the $700,000 ones in a second. Level 2. The mid-level AI engineer, Year 3 to 6, the danger zone. This is the level where most AI engineers sabotage their entire financial future. Mid-level AI engineers earn $140,000 to $200,000 base in the US. Most people forget it exists until it lands. Then they spend it. Say your base is $160,000. You take home around $9,000 a month. Your RSUs vest, RSUs, meaning company stock you earn over time as part of your pay. And that's a $40,000 bonus landing in April. Most engineers treat it like a windfall. New car, holiday to Japan, maybe a little crypto, gone in 60 days. The engineers who build wealth, they treat that $40,000 like it never existed. It goes straight into an index fund, meaning a simple investment that tracks the whole stock market automatically. One $40,000 RSU payout invested at age 28. Left alone until 50 at average returns, that single decision is worth $214,000. Maybe. But here's where it gets really sneaky. At this level, your taxes get brutal, and nobody warns you. But wait, why does nobody talk about this? Because tax planning isn't sexy. Nobody makes a YouTube short about maximizing your 401k contribution, but they will make one about the Tesla Model 3. And that gap, right there. At $180,000 in the US, you're in the 24% federal tax bracket. Add state tax, then Social Security, Medicare. You're effectively keeping around 62 cents of every dollar. So your $180,000 salary, you're actually building wealth on about $112,000. Plan for that number, not the headline salary. Level 3, the Senior AI Engineer, Year 7 to 12. The acceleration. Senior AI engineers don't just earn more, they earn differently, and that changes everything. Senior AI engineer base salaries in the US, $200,000 to $280,000. Total comp at top companies, Google, OpenAI, Meta, Anthropic, can hit $350,000 to $500,000. That's not fantasy. That's listed, publicly confirmed compensation. In the UK, £120,000 to £180,000. Less, but still exceptional. Here's what $350,000 total comp actually looks like in practice. Base, $240,000. Take home monthly, around $12,500. RSU, vesting. $80,000 a year. Annual bonus, $30,000. Total landing in your accounts across the year, roughly $270,000 after tax. That's $22,500 a month. Every month, averaged out. Now, what do most senior engineers do with that? They upgrade everything. House, car, private school for the kids. Their spending hits $18,000 a month. They save $4,500 on $350,000 total comp. The engineers who hold their lifestyle at $10,000 a month, they're banking $12,500 every single month. That's $150,000 a year going into investments. In 10 years, $2.4 million. The one spending $18,000 a month, in 10 years, $540,000. Same salary, $1.86 million difference. Level 4, staff/principal AI engineer, year 12 plus, the $700,000 club. The people earning $700,000 don't look rich. That's the whole point. Staff and principal AI engineers at top U.S. companies, total comp ranges from $500,000 to $700,000 plus. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic. These numbers are real and documented. In the UK, equivalent senior research roles, £200,000 to £350,000. But here's what most people never see. The ones building real generational wealth, they live on 30% of their income. They invest 50%. They give away or set aside 20%. That's it. That's the whole strategy. Take home on $650,000 after federal and state tax, roughly $390,000 a year. That's $32,500 a month. Live on $10,000. Invest $16,000. Set aside $6,500. After 10 years of that investing alone, at 8% average annual return, $2.9 million. In that decade alone, not counting what you already bill in levels 1, 2, and 3. The full career picture, from junior to staff engineer, over 15 years. Investing consistently, you're looking at a real-world net worth potential of $4 to $8 million. Not a fantasy. Actual math for people who started with nothing but a laptop and a student loan. But here's the thing. Nobody tells you about reaching this level. The biggest financial threat isn't taxes. It isn't a market crash. It's the thing I teased at the start. It's you. The thing that changes everything. It's not your salary. It's not your stock picks. It's not even your tax strategy. It's your identity. The engineers who build real wealth, they stop seeing their salary as income. They start seeing it as fuel. Every raise isn't a signal to upgrade your life. It's a signal to widen the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap, that's your wealth machine. And the earlier you build the habit, the more unstoppable it becomes. A 23-year-old investing $500 a month builds more wealth than a 35-year-old investing $2,000. Not because of the money, because of the time. Look, nobody taught you this stuff in school. Not your parents' fault, not yours. The system was literally designed to keep you spending, not building. Every ad you see is engineered to make your current life feel not enough. Better car, better apartment, better watch. And the scariest part? It works. Even on smart people. Especially on smart people, because smart people can justify every purchase. But now you know the difference. Broke behavior. Spend every raise. Wealth behavior. Invest every raise. Live like you didn't get one. That's not deprivation. That's power. And once you feel that compound growth starting to work, you will never go back. If this hit different, smash like right now. 2 seconds. Helps more people find this. That's it. Subscribe. We drop real finance truth every single week. No fluff, no fake gurus, just the actual numbers. And drop a comment. Are you team invest every raise? Or did lifestyle creep already get you? No judgment. See you in the next one.